Also we have here the hadith of Abu Dharr radiyallahu anhu قال أمرنا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أن نصوم من الشهر 3 أيام 13 و14 و15. That the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم commanded us to fast 3 days from every month. Commanded us to fast 3 days from every month. The 13th and the 14th and the 15th. This is another type of optional fasting. The 3 days out of every month and the 13th and the 14th and the 15th are known as the white days, Ayyamul Bayt, al-Ayyam, where the sun, or rather where the moon is the full moon, where the moon is the full moon, those 3 days known as the white days. Then it is sunnah to fast on those days too. This is another sunnah in terms of fasting outside of Ramadan. So you can see already, just when Ramadan finishes, there are still plenty of opportunities in the sunnah for fasting outside of Ramadan. You have the day of Arafah, you have the day of Ashura, with the day that goes with it. You have the Mondays, you have the Thursdays that we are aware of too. You have the 3 days of every month you can do. You have the 6 days of Shawwal you can do. There are so many different days of fasting outside of Ramadan too. It's a great mistake that the people think Ramadan, when it comes to an end, that's it, no more fasting until next year's Ramadan. No. Throughout the year there are so many different days the Sunnah has mentioned in regards to fasting.